It's hot. So it's hot. It's hot. I told you to wait. Oh, this is so funny.
The plantain. And enjoy every moment.
Yep, this is how I'm eating it.
I want to remove the cut.
Okay. Okay, now I'm trying the plantain with the egg.
Just have to eat it like this.
Oh. Wow, this is great. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. It's amazing. If you like plantain and egg, you're going to love this. If you like pizza, you're going to love this. If you like butter, you're going to love this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.